Okay, good. All right, so Honda Civic 2021 and up to 2024, it's all the same. I'm gonna take out this center console right here. So you just pop it off with a special tool, like trim tool. Pop it off like that. Okay. And then now we're gonna take out the shift knob. I seen one that is different, I guess, for some video. So you just pull this thing down like that. See how it's out like that, and then a screwdriver right here. There's 2 screws. There you go. So let's put it on gear, on neutral here. Turn it off. I got the bolt in there. Take that out, and then now it's on neutral. Next, take out this cover right here. Just pop it up, just like that. And then down here, you can see the screw. Good job. There you go, man. All right, guys. So there's a piece down here that's hitting the shifter housing. So it's better to take out this upper trim piece right here. Make it easy. You can see everything. There's a connector in here. Take out this connector.
Another wire again.
Right, so take this out, put it on the side. This is that screw that we took off inside, and then now this housing down here, you can see down here, is hitting the housing of the shifter. So here you go. Put it up. This side right here is lots of connector. Wow. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 connector. There you go. That's how you take out your upper piece center console with the shifter knob, and the shifter handle is out. Easy. That's on a 2021 Civic, and same thing up to 24. Same thing with a Honda Accord. That's it, guys.